Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about Tagalog pronouns. Pronouns are important because they take the place of nouns and help makes our sentences shorter and more efficient. The first type of pronouns we'll learn is personal pronouns. These are pronouns that refer to people or things. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. Ako, I, me. Ikaw, you. Siya, he, she. Kami, we or us. Kayo, you, plural. Tayo, us, plural. Sila, they or them. Now let's practice each pronoun and please repeat after me. Ako, ko. Ako. Now let's use ako in a sentence. Ako si Maria. I am Maria. Ako ay mabait. I am kind. Pupunta ako sa palengke. I am going to the market. Nagugutom ako. I am hungry. Ikaw. 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 Now let's use ikaw in a sentence. Ikaw ba ang may-ari nito? Are you the owner of this? Ikaw ay magaling. You are good. Ikaw ang susunod. You are next. Siya. 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 Now let's use siya in a sentence. Siya ay matalino. He or she is smart. Nanalo siya sa loto. He or she won the lottery. Kasama mo ba siya? Are you guys together? Kami. 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 Now let's use kami in a sentence. Kami ay magkaibigan. We are friends. Magkasama kami. We are together. Nanalo kami sa laro. We won the game. Kayo. 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 Now let's use kayo in a sentence. Kayo ba ay magkakilala? Do you all know each other? Aalis ba kayo? Are you guys leaving? Sasama ba kayo? Are you guys coming? Tayo. 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 Now let's use tayo in a sentence. Malakas tayo. We are strong. Mag-iinuman tayo mamaya. We are drinking later. Kailangan nila tayo. They need us. Sila. 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 Now let's use sila in a sentence. Sila ay naglalaro sa park. They are playing at the park. Kakain sila sa restaurant. They will eat at the restaurant. Nag-uusap sila. They are talking. Great job! The second type of pronouns we learn is possessive pronouns. These are the pronouns that shows ownership or possession. Here are the possessive pronouns in Tagalog with their English translation. Akin, mine. Iyo, yours. Kanya, his or hers. Amin, ours. Inyo, yours, plural. Kanila, theirs. Now let's practice each possessive pronoun. Repeat after me. Akin, akin, akin. Let's use akin in a sentence. Akin yan. That's mine. Saan ang akin? Where is mine? Akin ba ito? Is this mine? Bakit ka nakatingin sa akin? Why are you looking at me? Iyo. 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 Now let's use iyo in a sentence. Iyo ba ito? Is this yours? Maganda ang iyo. Yours is beautiful. Saan ang iyong kaibigan? Where is your friend? Kanya. 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 Let's use kanya in a sentence. Kanya ba ito? Is this his or hers? Kanya ang bag na yan. That's his or hers bag. Malaki ang kanya. His or hers is big. Amin. 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 Now let's use amin in a sentence. Amin ang bahay na yan. That's our house. Mainit ang araw sa aming lugar. The sun is hot in our place. Amin siguro yan. I think that's ours. Inyo. 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 Let's use inyo in a sentence. Inyo ba ito? Is this yours? Plural. Pupunta kami sa inyo mamaya. We are going to your house later. Ano ang meron sa inyo? What is there at your house? Kanila. 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 Now let's use kanila in a sentence. Kanila ang lupa na yan. That's their land. Sasali ka sa kanila? Are you joining them? Sa kanila tayo sasama. We are going with them. Excellent! You did a fantastic job learning two kinds of Tagalog pronouns today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep using these pronouns in your daily conversation. See you on the next one. Please like and comment on how I can make your experience better. Thank you. Salamat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.